Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair. In this HVAC training video, we're breaking down how to calculate heat loss through a wall using the manual J formula, especially when you're given an R value instead of a U value. Let's walk through a real example. We have a wall that's 30 feet long and 12 feet high. It has an R value of 20, and the temperature difference across the wall is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 1. Find the area equals sign 30 times 12 equals 360 square feet. Step 2. Convert R value to U value. U value equals sign 1, R value, so 1 divided 20 equals 0, 0.5. Step 3. Use the manual J formula, BTUh equals sign area x U x, temperature difference, that's BTUh equals sign 360 x 0.05 x 50 equals sign 900, so the wall is losing 900 BTUs of heat per hour. This method is key for sizing your HVAC system correctly and passing your HVAC exam. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our full playlist on manual J load calculations, only here on Maryland HVAC Repair.